Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Before going to the video, I have a small request. I know you are all in a busy schedule, you have your own commitments, you have your own problems, but still you can spare some time at least once in a week or twice in a week. Kindly watch my videos. If you have already known this topic, it is just going to brush your memories, and if it's new means definitely it is going to add some knowledge to you. So kindly watch. Now let me go to the video. Today's video is about nightmare. So what is this nightmare? First I'll tell you. An evil spirit or something negative which is going to oppress your sleep and disturb your sleep, that's called as nightmare. Actually this nightmare is an old English word derived from an old English word called mare, which means it's like a mythological demon or goblin which is going to oppress your soul with frightening dreams. So this dream may be true or may not be true, but once you get out from this dream, you'll know you'll be completely drained out of your energy. So what are the reasons for this nightmares, why this happens, and what is the medicinal perspective of this nightmares, and in what way you can overcome this? All this I'll tell you in a very detailed way. First, before going to the actual video, I'll tell you what are the common nightmares you people have. First thing is, you will feel that you are being chased by someone and you are running for your life. Second thing is, you may fall down from great heights and get up in fear. And next thing is, your teeth may be falling out, or you may be drowning in a big ocean where you really require some help. And next thing is, your loved ones will leave you, or you will be cheated by them. And next thing is, you will not attend an important event or a meeting which is of very crucial in your life. And last is, you will be injured. So these are the common nightmares which you can overcome without counseling and without medications. Only when some nightmares are continuously repeated again and again, then you have to go in for the next level of treatment or counseling. So now I'll tell you what are the causes for these nightmares, why actually the nightmares happen in our life. First thing is, when you get up in the morning, you don't get up with a bright smile. Okay, just get up with all lot of tensions in your head. You will feel that I have to complete my target, I have to get a good name from my higher authorities, I have to overrank others, I have to dominate another person. So all these thoughts will be indulged in your mind. So where this everything will be changed into nightmare, because you are not able to attend what you are thinking in the morning. So usually nightmares happen in this way. Next thing is your suppressed feelings. Always you have that suppression inside you. So let me tell you, like suppose you are very angry and you are being dominated by someone or ill-treated by someone, where you feel like shouting at them, but you cannot do because of the situation or ambience. So at that time you will control your anger. That is a form of suppression. Next thing is, you feel like crying loudly somewhere where your ego is really hurted and you feel in real depression. At that time you will just control your sadness, your agony, everything will be controlled, and that's another form of suppression. Sometimes we will not be able to laugh also. Some people will say something funny or they will act funnily where you will feel like laughing at them, but still that ambience or situation will stop you, where you cannot free enough to laugh. So all these form of emotions together, what will happen is, gathered up, it will be like one upon another, it will be binding up every day. Finally one day it will break up, like water gushing through a hole. So at that time what will happen, you will completely get broken up. So, but when there is no let out itself, suppose you feel you cannot let out your feelings anywhere, and for years the suppression is going on and on, what will happen? Everything will be taking a form of a demon or a evil spirit or whatever it is you may call, that will come and haunt you during your sleep, taking away, draining away your complete energy. So when you get up, you will feel there's no use of me, for what I'm getting up, what I'm going to do. So your mindset will come to that aspect where you have to go in for medical treatment. So this nightmare should not be repeated. First thing is, it should not drain your energy. So what are the things which you can do to avoid this nightmare? More like a counseling I'm telling you. The first thing is, what you have to do really is, just get up in the morning with a bright smile. See that's the first and the last day of your life. So just hug your loved ones, open the windows, see the bright sunrise, see the chirping of birds, see all the good things around you, cheer up and make the day more soulful. Feel that you are happy and you should make others also happy. So this aspect will give you the first tone of energy to that day. Second thing is, dress up. dress up yourself like going for an event or a function or whatever it is, because that will increase your charisma and it will also increase your confidence level. So whatever things you have, with that you dress up well to the core. Look yourself in the mirror how many times possible, but see that you are dressed up well. Third thing what I am telling is, kindly, this is very important, kindly don't attend any conversational phone calls before going to bed. It may be from your friend or a friend in disguise or your relation or whoever it is. Don't attend any conversational call before going to bed, because they will not allow you to sleep peacefully. Something or other they will tell you where you are totally damaged, where nightmares will be enhanced. So don't attend any phone calls. And fourth thing, what is, just get immersed in water. Just go where, if there is a river near your house or if there is an ocean, you just take a break up, you can just go there and immerse yourself in water, or you can stand even under a waterfall where all your negativity will be washed out. You will feel something hyper. This you can try. If not possible, at least once in a month you can try this. Then have contact with childhood friends, because they are the people who understand you more. They know when you will get angry, what things you like, when you will feel jealous, or some people will be very stingy. They will not pay for others' bills. So such sort of persons you will be understood well in your friend circle. So when you go there, you need not act. You will be as you are. So this will boost up your energy. So as far as possible, at least once in a year or 6 months once, just collect all your childhood friends, spend some time with them. So totally this will be giving a nil to your nightmares. And next thing is important thing what I would like to say is, try to schedule your plans, okay, right from morning till evening. At least 2 hours every day should be your leisure time, because only during the leisure time you will understand what you are. You don't even join friends during this leisure time. This is meant only for you. You choose your dress, you choose your shoes, you choose in what way you have to be happy, listen to music which is meant only for you, eat food separately, drink separately, whatever you want. The 2 hours is meant only for grooming yourself, for understanding yourself. So when you do this, definitely that self confidence will be there, and you will be, that happiness will be there. And one more thing I will tell you is, try to do some spontaneous help to people. It may be whatever it is. When you're just moving out of your house, you just have a pocket note where you can just note down. Your neighbors, they may be old people, they'll tell you just get some medicines or get some groceries, or they'll say to pay some bills. So all these are small helps, handly helps which you are doing to these people. So that will give a way of satisfaction to you at the end of the day. Because when you sleep, you will be fulfilled. Okay, today something useful I have done to some people. So that relaxation itself will make you come out of these nightmares. Why I am saying is, see, more than depending on others, when we feel some people are depending on us, that is going to give you great energy. Because when you feel, because that person will be waiting for me, I have to fulfill this duty to this person. So when so many people are dependent on you, naturally you will have an energy. Then your responsibility will take off and you will be very happy, because this will really, you can try this also, this will give you a real happiness. And next thing, something, this is very weird, but let me tell you, I'll try this, but I don't know how many of you are going to try this. If you like, you can really try. That is, once in a while, just go to a cemetery and sit for half an hour or 1 hour, because you'll know for what we are rushing towards life, for what we are fighting with each other, for what we are putting so much of hard work to make people understand us, all this, everything will be like an illusion. We will feel just, that is, you will come out of yourself and you will start laughing at things when you spend some time in cemetery. Because I used to try this. This is not compulsory. If you wish, you can try this also, because it will make us understand that nightmares are nothing. It is only imaginary fictions which we are having. The next thing I'll tell you, just mute everything. Once in a while, just try at least once in a week, mute everything, come out of medias, switch off your phone, switch off TV, everything. Just sit quietly, close your eyes, you will feel you are going to the next level of creation. You can feel that godliness, you will feel you are from some terrestrial, some other terrestrial. So all these aspirations you'll have once you mute everything, and you will feel really godly, and all your chakras will be coinciding with each other, and that enlightenment will take you to the next level of living, or next level of human being self you will feel. So this is one aspect. Then next thing what I am telling you is, see, we are not running of fear of animals. There's a lion or a tiger or any deadly animal chasing you, no. So are you afraid of God, like we are doing some mistakes and God is going to punish us? Means no. Are you afraid of some evil spirits, some demons or devil is going to attack? No. We are just afraid of humans only. Just like people who have the same nervous system, who have the same blood, we are afraid of such people. So these people are not going to do anything. They can only damage your soul, they cannot damage anything else. So when they are not able to physically damage you or provoke you in any way, they'll start damaging your soul. So just they are humans like us, no? Why should we have so much fear of them? Only their position will be different, or a designation will be different. But on the whole, if you see, they are just humans. So you have all very reasons to explain yourself to those people, make you understand. So no need to have these people as nightmare, because you will be wasting your life. So once if you want to come out of this nightmare, first thing is try to understand people and keep yourself in a very, what to say, profound situation where you can handle everything. Then if you say the medical aspect of handling these nightmares, means if you go to a doctor, first thing they'll ask you what type of work you're doing, how many hours are doing, what type of pressure you're handling at home or in office. So how many people you are answerable to. So all these call histories and your past histories they'll take into account. Then they'll start treating you with some medications, all chemical reactions, okay, all your new what to say, your nerves are going to get chemically reacted with such type of treatment that will temporarily give you some relief. Then first thing they'll give you counseling, they'll try to understand what you are, then they'll go for medications and whatever. On the whole, if we say, counseling only is going to help you. First trying to understand ourselves, then we can easily handle humans, as I told you. So this is all, and I feel very happy to talk to you this today, and thank you so much for watching. Meeting you in the next video. Signing off. Bye bye. Take care.